Hi, my name is Dave Biagioni. I'm an applied mathematician in the Computational Science Center at the National Renewable Energy Lab in Golden, Colorado. In this presentation, I'll describe a small study we performed titled A Comparison of Model-Free and Model-Predictive Control for Price-Responsive Water Heaters. The water heater is an interesting appliance in the context of energy management because it represents a relatively untapped source of flexibility that you can think of as a one-way battery that can store power in the form of heat, but can't discharge on demand, at least not in the form of electricity. We instead consider a multi-objective problem to minimize a combination of user discomfort, which we call the cold shower cost, and power cost as defined via a dynamic time of use price set by a hypothetical utility company. Join us as we describe how we simulated this physical system and pitted model predictive control against model free control to see which one could provide the ultimate hot shower without breaking the bank. We'll even have a cameo by a resident supercomputer, Eagle, which enabled us to scale up the model-free learning to over 1,000 distributed CPU cores. Thanks. We hope to see you at the workshop.